Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a video on this Crown. It's a 94 Toyota Crown from Japan. We're gonna do the transmission change on it. I checked online, YouTube, not much information on these. So I'm gonna make a quick video and show you the process. It's a inline 6 2.0 automatic. And I'm not sure how much quarts it takes. I bought a 4-quart jug, 1 gallon, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pull out the old one, drain it, and measure it, and then put the same amount in. Let's get it. Okay, so we're under the car. This is the front, the engine. You go way back, almost towards the middle of the car. And there's the transmission, and there's the pen. I got the bolt out, the drain bolt. We get the fluid coming out, not much in there. And careful on the drain bolt, not a lot of threads, so it comes out quick. I dropped mine in there, so I had to fish it out. I don't see, there's no magnet on it, so I couldn't tell if there's any shavings or not. Fluid looks okay-ish, not too dark, still red, but it's very like runny, like watery. Maybe because it's warmed up, maybe it just needs to be changed, but we'll just put a new one in. Cheap maintenance, easy to do. And the hole is in the back of the pen on this side towards the back of the car. So I got my fronts on the ramps, the big ramps, and the back wheels on the small ramps. So it's perfect. We're pushing the fluid this way out of it. That's good. There's the dipstick. We'll try to fill it through the dipstick. I looked around, I didn't find the fill plug on the side anywhere. So we'll fill the new fluid with the dipstick from the top. All right, so on my engine, my transmission dipstick is on the left side. The left side if you're looking forward. So that'll be on JDM cars, that'll be the passenger side where there is no steering wheel. So it's right here. It was like a red orange dipstick. It's towards the inside there in the back. You see right there a little clip, you pull it back and this comes out. I'm gonna use one of my big funnels to get in there and fill it up. So here we got the old fluid. Let's see what we got. So we are just over 3 quarts, maybe like 3.3, 3.4. And here's, I spilled some by accident, some old one. And then the pink stuff is the new fluid. I actually spilled it on purpose, just to show you guys an example. So the brown, see how brown it is and kind of old looking? That's the old fluid, and the fresh pink one, that's how it's supposed to look like. So let me get it cleaned up and we'll fill it in there. We should be good to go. Hey, so what I did here, it's an awkward axis. I moved like 2 sensors out of the way. They were just sitting here on the plastic clip. Moved them out of the way, and I'm using two funnels. One small one down there, bigger one here. It's kind of awkward. Oh, they just fell out. So I'm gonna stick it in here. It just fell down. But I got my cardboard underneath. I'm gonna go slow and fill it up about 3.3 quarts. And then we'll check the level. I got it all filled up. We spilled a bunch, as you can see in the bottom. Luckily we had a cardboard there. Get some rags, because I did make a mess. We'll get it cleaned up. But there's like a little tab or pin. Let me show you. Right there on the side, the black tab that holds the dipstick in place. I pushed it back this way, so I can stick my funnel in there without the funnel getting pushed out. And I squeeze the bottom funnel, so it fits in there nicely. If that's what you're doing, just keep an eye on the bottom funnel. Make sure it doesn't get overfilled to keep the spillage to the minimum. And I'm gonna go start the engine, run through my gears, and then check the level. So what I'm gonna do here, hold the brake and just run through all the gears. So shift into each gear and then hold it like a second or two. Go up and down. I would want to do that at least twice, just to make sure the pump sucks all the fluid all in the right places where it's supposed to be, all the gears. And then we can check the level. So do that twice up and down and should be all set. Hey guys, make sure you give it good amount of time for the fluid in the dipstick tube to run down, maybe a couple hours, but for me it's my next day, so I'm checking it right now. I checked it twice. The car is on. I ran it through cycled it through all the gears, And here's where I'm at, kind of like over here on the top, over the top notch. It says, let me flip it. Yeah, so this top notch supposed to be, it says on hot, and here in the bottom it says cold. Right now it's kind of colder. I just started it for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So we're a little bit over, maybe like an inch. I think I'm gonna jack it up and let some out, just to make sure it's kind of like right where it's supposed to be. Here's the dipstick when it's dry. It says here hot, it says here cold. So I want to kind of be somewhere in the middle. I think I'm gonna let some out and measure it again. Not much, just I don't know, like half a quart or quarter of a quart. Let's see what that puts me. That's all, guys. All done here. Everything looks good. By the way, I wanted to say the fluid, transmission fluid. Where's my jug? Right here. The dipstick says on it Dexon 2. I asked the guys at the store. They said Dexron 3 replaced Dexon 2. So you can use Dexon 3. I don't know if you'll be able to find any more Dexon 2 like you're supposed to have originally. So same thing, potato. All down here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope it was useful. Check out the channel. We got Skyline, Hummer, a couple other toys, and see you later.